Welcome to Electro Pros. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make fire alarm using Nodemcu. So let's get started. For making this project, you will need a Nodemcu, a flame sensor, some jumper wires, a breadboard, a micro USB cable. First, connect the flame sensor's ground pin to the Nodemcu's ground pin. Then connect the VCC pin of the flame sensor to the VIN pin of the Nodemcu module. Then connect the output pin of the flame sensor to the digital I/O first pin. Power it up. So let's see the blink part. Then write the Wi-Fi credentials. Then write the authentication code for Blynk. Then upload the code. It's now compiling. It is uploading. Then uploading. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.